Hello students, so today we'll be starting with the third chapter of English, which is articles. So today we'll be learning about articles. So let's get started. Here we have, in English we use articles to point out or introduce nouns. Articles are very small words, but they are very important in sentences. So let's see what are the three articles in English. We have a, an, and the. So what are the articles? A, an, and we have the. Right? These are the articles that we use in English. So first we'll be learning about the article A. So general and before consonant sound. So before we use A before general things and before consonant sounds. So I hope you know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, right? Then these are the vowels, and apart from these, the rest like B, C, D, F, G, H, all these up till Z are the consonants, right? So A is used before general things and consonants, okay? So A is used before general things and before consonant sounds. We use A before a word that begins with a consonant sound like B, C, D, F, G, etc. For example, a book. Your book is starting with B, right? So we write a book. A book means one book, right? Then a pen. Then again, pen starts with the consonant P, right? So we add the article A in front of it. Then we have a cat. Then again we had C as a consonant, so we use a cat. Then a balloon. So again we had B, which is a consonant, and so we use the article A before balloon. We use A when the word starts with a sound that is not a vowel, right? So now we will be learning about the article an. So an is the article that we use before vowel sounds. Use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, and U. Here we have example. Apple, right? Apple is starting with the vowel A. So we write an apple. An apple means one apple, right? So then we have elephant. Elephant is again starting with a vowel which is E. So we will say an elephant, right? Then again we have an umbrella, right? So umbrella is starting with U. So we have a rule here. Whenever a word is starting with U and the sound is also starting with, the pronunciation is also starting with U, then we don't write an, we write A. Okay, for example, unicorn. Unicorn. Right. Unicorn is starting with the letter U, right? But the pronunciation is also starting with U. So when a word starts with U, with the letter U, and it also starts with the pronunciation U, then we do not write an, we write A. So here it will be a unicorn. Okay. Then we have university. So this is university, right? So again, here what we can see, the word university is starting with the letter U, right? And also the pronunciation is starting with university. So the pronunciation is starting with U. So please remember students, any word that starts with U, with the letter U, and the pronunciation is also starting with U, then we do not write an. Even though U is a vowel, we don't write an, we write a university. So in case of umbrella, you see UMBRELLA. A, right? Umbrella. So umbrella, here you see it is starting with the letter U But the pronunciation is not starting with U. We are not saying umbrella, right? We are saying umbrella. It is a sound, right? So here in this case, we will be writing an umbrella. So please remember this, students. Whenever a word is starting with the letter U and the pronunciation is also starting with the with U, then we don't write an before it. We write a before it. Like in example, unicorn starts with the letter U. On unicorn also starts with the pronunciation U. Then again in university, you see the word university starts with the letter U and it also starts with the pronunciation U. So we write a university. But in case of umbrella, the umbrella word starts with the letter U, but the umbrella word does not start with the pronunciation U. We don't say umbrella, we say umbrella, right? So then we use an before that. I hope you understood, students. Now let's move on to the use of. Oh, here we have another example, which is ice cream. So I does not have any specific rule. We only have learned the rule about U, right? So I is a vowel. So we have an ice cream, right? Then we use an when the next word starts with a vowel sound. Then we have the. The talking about specific things. So we use the when we are talking about specific or particular things. We use the when we talk about something specific or already known. So when we are talking about something and we have already mentioned it earlier, then we use the when something we are talking about is specific or particular. For example, here the sun. So sun is a particular thing, right? And sun is only one, right? So here we say the sun. Then again, moon. Moon is a particular thing, right? So we say the moon. Then here we have the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. Then again, Taj Mahal is a name of a particular building, right? A monument, right? So we say the Taj Mahal. Then the red ball on the table. So here we are talking about a particular ball which is red in color. We know which ball we are talking about. So we don't use a red ball, we use the red ball on the table. So use the for something unique, special or already mentioned in the sentence. So when do we use the? We use the when something is very unique, when something is very special or when something is already mentioned in the sentence, right? Like here, I have a ball. The ball is red in color. So next time when I'm talking about the ball, obviously it is here that I'm talking about the ball which I had, right? So I have already mentioned it earlier in the sentence, and next time when I'm using the same word, I use the. Then let's compare sentence, articles, used, reason. So in the sentence, we will find out the article used and then we will find the reason why that article is used. So first we'll have the sentence, then we'll have the article used and then we will have the reason. So here I saw a dog. The sentence is I saw a dog. Then what is the article used here? We have used the article a, right? So the article used is a. Then the reason. Dog is a common animal, right? Dog is a common animal. It is not a particular animal. It is not a specific animal. And we have not mentioned it earlier in the sentence too, right? So dog is a common animal. So, and it starts with a consonant sound, which is D, right? So that is why we use the article A. Then let's move on to the next sentence. Here we have the sentence which is she ate an orange. She ate an orange. So the article used here is an, right? Here see we have written the article which is an. Then what is the reason for using an here? Because orange is starting with a vowel O, right? So before a vowel we use an. So orange starts with a vowel sound. Then the next sentence we have is the sun is shining. Here the article that we have used is the, right? The. So why are we using the here? Because sun is one of a kind. Sun is a particular thing, right? It is one of a kind. There is only one sun. So we use the. So that we can make it clear that sun is a specific thing. Then let's move on to the multiple choice questions. Which article is used before a word starting with a vowel sound? So before a vowel sound, we use the article an, right? So the correct answer will be an. Then we have choose the correct sentence. I saw an cat. He bought a apple. She has an umbrella. We visited an zoo. So here I saw an cat. Cat starts with a with a consonant, right? So we don't use an before it. So this is a wrong sentence. Then he bought a apple. Again, apple is starting with the vowel A, so we don't use a before it, right? So this is again wrong. Then we visited an zoo. So zoo is starting with a consonant Z, and so we cannot use an, right? So this is again a wrong sentence. Then she has an umbrella. So here we have you, word starting with you, but the pronunciation is not starting with you. So we will write an, right? So she has an umbrella is the correct sentence. So the answer is C. She has an umbrella. Then we have which article is used before the word moon? A, and, the, none. So moon is a specific thing, right? It is a particular thing. So we use moon is also one of a kind, right? So we use the in front of moon. So the answer will be the. Then which of these uses the article A correctly? A elephant, a egg, a ball, a umbrella. So here these are all vowels, right? It will be an elephant, an egg, an umbrella, but ball is starting with a consonant B, right? So it will be a ball. So the answer is a ball. Then what is the correct article for this sentence? I saw dash owl in the tree. So here owl starts with the vowel O, right? So we have to write I saw an owl in the tree. So here we have the answer as B, which is an. Then fill in the blanks. He is reading dash book. So book starts with a consonant which is B. So it will be he is reading a book. As you can see the answer here, A, right? Then I ate dash orange today. So I ate an orange today, right? Because orange is starting with the vowel O. Then next question, we went to see dash Taj Mahal. Again, Taj Mahal is a name of a particular monument, right? So we will use the. So went to see the Taj Mahal, right? Then she has dash eraser and dash pencil. So eraser is starting with the vowel E. So we have to write she has an eraser and dash pencil and a pencil because pencil is starting with the consonant P, right? So she has an eraser and a pencil. Then last question we have the dash sun rises in the east. So again, sun is one of a kind. So in order to show that, we need to use the article the. So the sun rises in the east. Then let's move on to the next page. Here we had matched the following. Here column A and column B, right? So let's see. A tiger, specific or a known thing, begins with consonant sound, begins with vowel sound. So tiger, here we had a tiger because tiger is starting with the consonant T, right? So it begins with a consonant sound. So 1 will match with B. Here you have the answer. 1 matches with B. Then an egg. An egg begins with a vowel sound, right? Because of which we are using an, because E is a vowel, right? So an egg matches with C, which is begins with vowel sound. So here you see 2 matches with C. And the river is matches with A because when we are using the in front of river, that means we are talking about a specific or a particular river that we already know about, right? So the river matches with A, which is a specific or known thing. So 3 matches with A. Then we have true or false. An is used because words like apple, ice cream and orange. Yes, that is true. Apple starts with the vowel A and ice cream starts with the vowel I and orange starts with the vowel O, right? So before these words we will write and. So this is a true statement. Then we use the only for animals. No, that is false. We use the article the for specific or one of a kind thing or something which is already known to us, right? So it is a false statement. The next question, a is used before any vowel. No, that is false. A is used before consonants, right? The next question, the is used when something is unique or already known. Yes, that is true. Then last question we had, a dog is barking. This sentence uses the correct article. Yes, it is using the correct article because dog is not specific, right? So it is a true statement. So with this, we come to an end with this chapter. Study hard, students. See you in the next chapter.